Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and I wanted to do an overview of the August mixed media box. Before we go into the tutorial, there were a couple of parts that were off camera because my battery died on the camera. One of the things that was off camera was where I dry brushed some gesso on the background, and you can kind of see it, in some of the different areas here. And then at the very end of the video, there were a couple of parts that were off camera again where I put some of this, adhered this collage paper here and here, and then I also took some of the crochet trim and seam binding from the box, adhered that with the 3D gloss gel, and then just put a flower on top just to kind of finish out the side of it. So overall, and I'll go through this in the video, but sometimes it's better to hear it, and I'm having trouble on the video editor when I do the voiceover. My voice is not where it needs to be on the video, and I don't know how to fix that. So if I did the voiceover, I would be saying, I'm gluing these items down, and it's not showing that in the video. It's somewhere else in the video. So real quick, I just want to say kind of the steps. The first thing that I did, I took some of the white texture sand and added and stenciled it. This was a stencil by Tim Holtz, and so just to add some texture. And then I glued down some of the light blue fabric, some of the paper doily with the 3D gloss gel. I had some chipboard in my stash. I glued that down. Then I applied either 1 or 2 coats of gesso onto it. And then I fussy cut this image out from the paper, the Georgia blue paper, this out of the journaling card, the Georgia blue journaling cards. Then I added these diamond melange pebbles. And then I also added some micro beads as well in just little different spots. And also I did some light stamping, as you can kind of see. Did some light stamping. I also took the butterfly stamp and applied the icing paste, the Mystic Turquoise. I thought it turned out real nice, just something to add a little color, a little texture. And then of course I had painted the shabby chic brick with the icing paste as well, and then collaged down some of the different pieces from what was included in the kit. Is a Tim Holtz collage paper, and I just love it. I love collaging, and pretty much everything else is kind of self-explanatory in the video, but I just kind of wanted to give an overview, explain a couple of things. And if you do have any questions at all, feel free to comment below or message me directly. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and